Just get a drink. Ah, shit.
Well, what is it?
Shit.
What happened? What is it?
Shit.
Is it frozen?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, like how frozen?
What do you mean how frozen? Like very fucking frozen? I don't know.
Okay.
Look at that guy. He's holding up the whole road.
Beaver with a tree.
Working hard. Don't rush him.
Everyone's just waiting. I love it.
Made it. Good job, buddy.
Look how fat he is. Huh? Oh my god, that's adorable. Hey, fatty. Looking for a nut?